Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use FlexClip.ai. First of all, open your browser, then type in your browser FlexClip. Hit enter. Now go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to sign in and make yourself an account. Now once you're done with that, you will be at the home page. Now if you scroll down on the home page, you will see tons of different pre-made templates that you can use for your video creation. We can choose from any of these. And also you can use a search bar for finding your desired template. You can also choose from different categories, for example, personal category, business and services, creative, social media, community, and stuff. Now in the My Projects window, you will see all the projects that you've created. Now in the stock video window, you will have tons of different stock videos that you can use in your videos. You can also search for some stock videos to be used in your video. Now if you click on this create a video button, this window will open. From here you will choose your aspect ratio, like how you want the video to be. You want it to be for a computer screen, a mobile screen, a post, and different stuff as well. I'm just gonna keep it 16 to 9. Now the timeline mode is like the basic editor where you can have the most control over your video. While in storyboard mode, you can create a video within minutes. Yes, you heard that right, within minutes by just selecting a few options and giving a few instructions here and there. So I'm just gonna go with timeline mode and click on get started. So now we're gonna search for a template. Let's say nature. Enter. I'm gonna say let's go for this one. Just click on it and click on apply all the pages. Now you will have two ways. You can replace all the scenes already in your video, or you can even add them as a separate scene. So I'm just going to replace all the scenes. Go replace. And here your video will be added as scenes. You can change the duration of the scenes from here. For example, you can extend it, you can decrease it as well. Now you can also add transitions to your video by just clicking on this transitions button right here. It already comes with a transition, but if you want to change it, you can go for these. They also provide more like these ones, basic shapes and etc according to your needs and desires. Now from here, you can control the volume of the video, and you can also change the zoom percentage of the video. You can transform the video. For example, you can rotate it to left, right, flip horizontally, flip vertically and stuff. You can also apply filters to your video, which is very good. Just let's say I'm gonna go for low mode. Let's say you can also adjust the coloring of the video. For example, you can change the exposure, contrast, brightness, temperature, stuff, and you can also change the speed of the video. From here, I'm just gonna leave it at 1.0. Now, if you want to trim out a part of the video, just move the cursor to that part. Like let's say I don't want this thing right here, so I'm just gonna click on trim, and you can either delete it or you can either leave it here. It has created a different scene for it, but I'm just gonna, let's say, delete it from here. So that part from the video has been deleted. Now in this media folder right here on the left side, if you just click on it, you can upload your own media such as videos and images to be added in your video. Now in the text window right here, you can add different types of text as well. For example, you can add modern titles, textiles, social media stuff, subscribe and stuff like that, and some other stuff as well. Now, if you want to customize this text right here, just double click on it, and from here you can change the text. For example, I'm gonna put, let's say, green energy. Put the E of green. I'm just gonna do like that. So now green energy has been written here. Now if you click on the text again, from here you can choose the font of the text. You can choose from different fonts here. You can also increase or decrease the size of the text, and you can also change the text color from here. For example, let's say I'm going to use a preset color of green. You can also change the background color of the text. For example, I'm just gonna enable it right here, and it has gotten a black background now. You can make it bold, you can make it italics, you can uppercase and lowercase it as well. You can align the words, you can distribute them, and you can also change the opacity of the words. For example, let's say I'm just gonna decrease it a bit, and you can also change the style of the text. For example, if you want to be glowy, you want it to be neon, you want it to be sliced and stuff. Now, if you click on this subtitle window right here, you can also add subtitles to a video. For example, if you choose the auto AI subtitle, FlexClip will automatically add subtitles to your video with the help of AI. You can also type in your subtitles, or you can also upload a subtitle file. Now in this video window right here, you can search and use different stock footages in your video. For example, let's say I'm gonna add this one right here. You have two options. You can add as a different scene, or you can add it as a layer to that particular scene. So I'm just gonna add it as a layer here. Now in here you can customize it as well. For example, you can increase or decrease the size according to your needs and desires. And let's say I'm just gonna put it at the top here. Now, if you don't like it, just click on delete and it will be deleted. You can use the pictures in the same fashion as well. Now, from this audio window right here, you can add background music to your video. You will already have a background music added to your video, but just click on it if you don't like it and click on delete and be deleted. And you can try out different musics for yourself to be used in your video. Like, let's say like this one, I'm just gonna add to timeline. And after some time your background music will be added right here. Now in the elements window right here, you can add different types of shapes. You can add subscribe button, like button, social stuff and as well. And you can also use from stickers, and you can also use some frames as well. Now in the overlays window, you can add fully customizable overlays. For example, let's say I like this one, so just click on it and it will be added to that particular scene. Now you can customize it. For example, how much do you want it on your screen to be? I'm just gonna leave it at full size. After that, if I hit play, you can see the difference. Now after everything is ready, just click on this export button right here. Now if you want to export the video without watermark and you want it in high quality, you will have to upgrade. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use FlexClip as a beginner. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.